Imagine soaking in the glorious sunset from a beachfront hotel balcony, sipping on a cocktail that didn't break the bank. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you it's totally achievable, even on a shoestring budget? Yep, today I'm going to share some secrets on how to travel luxuriously without burning a hole in your wallet. First off, timing is everything. To snag those luxury experiences for less, timing your travel during the shoulder season can save you a fortune. This means avoiding peak times like school holidays or major festivals. Not only will your flights and accommodations be cheaper, but you'll also avoid the crowds. Who wouldn't want to have those Instagram-perfect spots all to themselves? Next up, let's talk accommodation. Luxury doesn't always mean 5-star hotels. Have you considered alternative options like Airbnb or boutique hostels? Some of these places offer incredible amenities like rooftop pools, spas, and gourmet breakfasts at a fraction of the cost. And the best part, they often provide a more unique and personalized experience. Now, on to flights. Did you know that many budget airlines offer premium sections? Sure, it's not first class, but with added benefits like extra legroom and priority boarding, it feels pretty close. Keep an eye out for deals, and don't be afraid to use those air miles if you have them. Remember, a little comfort goes a long way, especially on longer journeys. And here's a little hack for when you're at your destination. Look for luxury for less. Check out upscale restaurants during lunch instead of dinner, as they often serve the same exquisite dishes at a significantly lower price. Also, joining local Facebook groups or apps like Eat With can lead you to luxurious dining experiences with locals at a reduced cost. Lastly, don't forget about experiences. Luxury isn't just about where you stay or eat, it's also about what you do. Opt for experiences that offer a lot of value for your money. For instance, a private guided tour might seem pricey up front, but the personalized experience and in-depth knowledge you gain can make it utterly worthwhile. So there you have it, folks. Traveling luxuriously on a budget might require a bit of planning and flexibility, but it's absolutely doable. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll be living your luxury travel dream without the nightmare of a drained bank account. Happy travels! If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more budget travel hacks. Thanks for watching. And stay awesome!